Morning, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about modal verbs, specifically focusing on can, could, may, might, must, and should. These verbs help us express ability, permission, advice, and obligation in English. Modal verbs are essential when we want to express different meanings in English. For instance, we can use them to talk about ability, ask for or give permission, make requests, give advice, or express an obligation. Today, we'll be looking at 6 specific modal verbs: can and could, may and might, must and should. Let's start with ability. When we want to talk about something we are able to do right now, we use can. For example, I can swim. It shows present ability. For abilities we had in the past or for polite requests, we use could. For example, I could run faster when I was younger. So remember, can is for present ability, and could can be for past abilities or polite requests. Now, let's talk about permission. We use can for informal permission, like, can I leave early today? May is used for formal permission, like, may I come in? And might expresses less certain permission. For example, might I suggest an idea? When it comes to advice or suggestions, should we give strong advice or suggestions? For example, you should study more. Must expresses strong obligation or necessity. For example, you must wear a seat belt. When we need to make requests, can is used for informal requests. Can you help me? Could is more polite. Could you pass the salt? And a may is used for formal requests. May I ask a question? To wrap up, modal verbs are important for expressing ability, permission, advice, and requests. Just remember, can